Hello everybody and welcome back to the Nerdy Adventures of Dell. I am Dell and welcome to my channel. Hello. Welcome. This is the first time you've ever checked out one of my videos. Thank you for stopping by. I really do appreciate the support, even if it's brief. Still, it counts. Thank you. Hello, nice to meet you. I am Dell. And today we are going to be opening Pokemon cards! Yay! It's been a minute, so I'm happy to be able to open these finally. Got more. And yeah, I'm excited. It's been a minute, like I said. So, yeah, I'm just really looking forward to getting straight into it. Let me see how I want to do this first, because I don't want to mess anything up as far as card condition goes. So I need to be careful of how I get these cards out. These beautiful cards right here. Oh, so beautiful. Just kidding. But no, for real though, that Galarian Ponyta Rapidash is pretty dope. I like those. I already have the Drowsy though. So that's a bit of a bummer to get a Duke there, but I don't have the Hypno. I don't even know if I have a Hypno yet, so that's pretty cool if I don't. But with all that said, this is what's going to be unboxed today. Wish me luck on my pulls, y'all. No whammies. Grandpa Dell says good luck, Dell. Thank you, Grandpa Dell. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm just excited. Yeah, but without further ado, where's my handy dandy tweezing tool? Handy dandy tweezing tool to the rescue. I like to use this to, my mind's going blank. Oh, I like to use this to open up my action figures and my Pokemon card plastic wrap, because it's easier and safer than scissors and knives and stuff like that. Just, to me, it works just the same and it's safer. So, I use that instead. Okay, gotta be careful here. Oh no! 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 Don't rip it too much. Careful. This is not wanting to cooperate with Dell. There we go. Oh, it's 2 pieces. Did not realize that. That's pretty cool though. Oh. Be gone with thee! Just kidding. I'm in a mood today, y'all. I'm in a mood. Just gonna look at these real quick and see. Nope. 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 Well, dirty out. Here. I don't think there's anything in there. But I'm not going to take out the rest of these cards. I'm going to do that after the video, because something is telling me to hold on and wait for that. So I shall obey my instincts, because I'm tired of wishing I would have listened and ending up with damaged cards sometimes. That's no bueno. Protect your cards, y'all. Especially you young ones, protect the value of your cards. That's a public service announcement for today. So yeah, let's get right into opening the Orbeetle V box. This was bought at Sam's Club. I'm not using my fingers. Nope. I'm going to use the handy dandy tweezing tool, that way I don't get a paper cut. Oi! We need elevator music right now. That's not elevator music. That's the presidential election music. My bad. Which I don't really like presidents. There hasn't been a president in recent memory that I've actually liked. The ones I vote for never get me. Oh well. At least I tried. Yeah, Orbeetle V. Throw that over there. Litter bug! Just kidding, I'll clean it up. Shake out the nerves. I haven't opened Pokemon cards in a while, so I am a bit nervous. I am not gonna lie. I don't want to damage any of them. Ah. There we go. No Vanda. So, what I am going to do with this Orbeetle V Jumbo card, I am actually going to put it straight into here. My Jumbo card folder. My Jumbo card Pokedex. Let's see. This is chill music, y'all. Hang on just a second, I'll tell you who it is and where it's from, where you can find it if you like it. Sorry about that. But it is called The Relaxed Movement on YouTube. It's 12 hours of free background music, copyright-free music for creators and streamers. That's the title of the video. It's The Relaxed Movement, so you can go find it on YouTube if you like it. Oh no. No. There's scratches on the card. No. That's messed up. Hopefully it's just the plastic and not the card. Oops. But yeah, it was just the plastic. The card appears to be fine. It's a pretty cool card, I'm not gonna lie. But I shall set it first in front of the camera so you guys can see it. It's pretty cool, I like it. I like this card. I like the effects and the holographic, like the little swirls and the lightning looking things. It's pretty cool. Grandpa Dell also did not forget the sleeves today, and he did not forget the cases, sorry. I'm just really excited, so sorry y'all if you are like, come on, hurry up and get with it. I'm sorry. I apologize. I'm just excited. And actually, since there's only 4 packs in this, Chilling Rain, Vivid Voltage, Chilling Rain and Vivid Voltage, I may dip in to get these out of the way. I will clean them up later, you have my word, folks. I'll clean that up too, and that. Yeah, with only 4 packs, it's not really going to be that special of a video. So, I'm going to pitch in some packs from my... I'm going to pitch in 1 pack from random pool from my... my backup packs. And it's going to be a Fusion Strike. So I'm going to open a Fusion Strike as well. I also could have picked up another Fusion Strike, or Unified Minds was available. But that should be for another video, because I'm not going to open it today. Unless I get BS pulls, then I might pick another one. See if I get better luck, but we'll see. Let's mix them up to make it random. I don't want to draw in predetermined order. I don't want to draw with the first pack on. So I like to mix them up and make it random, y'all. So, now that I am mixing, please tell me when I can stop. Stop? Cool. This is the pack I'm going to pick, and it is Chilling Reign. Chilling Reign, first pack up, y'all. Let's get it started. Wish me luck, and I hope I get no whammies. Because my latest pulls, they weren't that great. To be honest, they were cool cards, but like value-wise, they were trademark poopy. Okay, I'm very careful with these packs, opening them, so it does take me a minute. Get rid of that. Set that to the side. Alright. Steel Energy. Cool. I need Steel Energy, so that's awesome. So we have Steel Energy. Melanie. Trainer card Melanie. Attach a Water Energy card from your discard pile to one of your Pokemon V. If you do, draw 3 cards. Not bad, not bad. Trainers will go here. And we have Whirlipede. Seabold. Trainers go there. Move the hollows up here. Regulars there. Bellabird! Bringing presents for you. Who is this? I cannot see. Galarian Farfetch'd. Porygon. Can't see. Heracross. Sobble. What is the last card, y'all? Is it good? Ooh! A reverse hollow Slurpuff. Very cool. I believe that is my first Slurpuff. So, yeah, that's pretty dope. It's a reverse hollow. I shall put that over there. And speak to me, y'all. Is it good? Is it trash? Is it lit? Is it garbage? Which is it? Tell me. Oh! Hello! Galarian Slowking V. Wow. That's a cool art. I'm not gonna lie. It's not full art, but it's very cool. I is happy with that. Grandpa Dell shall sleeve it, encase it. My hair's messed up now. Dang it. Oh well. Dang, he has a lot of HP too. There we go, sleeved in case, Galarian Slowking V, pack number 1. Not bad. I am happy with that pack. Nice. So that's the first pack sleeved encased. First card sleeved encased, excuse me. So now, I shall mix them up yet again. And give me a minute. Don't call it yet. Let me mix them up more. Let me mix them more thoroughly. Alright, now I'm going to start mixing and call when. When? Okay, top pack. Here we go. Which is it? It is Chilling Reign. Galarian Zapdos pack. That kind of stinks. I was hoping to save another Chilling Reign for later, but what's meant to be is what's meant to be, right? So, Breathe. Breathe. Oops, and there goes my dog barking. Whoops. So, with this pack, I am having trouble opening it, y'all. So, bear with me. I'm having trouble seeing spots. That's not good. Alright, I'm not fumbling with it anymore. I'm just gonna rip it. Rip it good. I'm just kidding. Throw that on the floor. Flip them over. Take out the code card, y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's hope I did that right, because I kind of got stuck. And it is Psychic Energy, another energy I do need. Nice. And is that Ledian? Oh, it is Ledian. Nice. Ledian. Old Cemetery. Whenever any player attaches an energy card from their hand to one of their non-psychic Pokemon, put 2 damage counters on that Pokemon. Whoa! That's nice. I may actually use that in a deck, to be honest. Because I do like psychic Pokemon a lot. So next card. Trying to get it in a place where you can see easily. There we go. Oops. It is Impact Energy. Nice. That's my first one of those. So next card is Deerling. Don't think. Oh, yes, I do. I do have that. And is this another Delibird? This one is. I can't see these. Ooh, Larvesta. Nice. I think that's my first Larvesta. But Mareep is the next one. Then another Heracross. Then what is it? Reverse. Oh, a Reverse Hollow Dugtrio. Cool. I think that's also my first Dugtrio as well. So that's pretty cool. Triple heads. Flip 3 coins. This attack does 60 damage for each heads. If all 3 of them are heads during your opponent's next turn, prevent all damage from and effects of attacks done to this Pokemon. Nice. That's a nice card, I'm not gonna lie. And what's the next one? Non-hollow. Galarian Surfetched. Okay. Not bad. Not bad, Galarian Surfetched. I don't think I have one of them yet. So that's a good thing. I got a new card. And last, but not last. Sorry, I'm, like I said, very excited to be opening Pokemon cards finally. It's been a minute. I'm trying to make this at least entertaining somewhat. I'm working on more ideas for videos. When? This one? This one. This one? This one? This one? This one? Cool. And it is Pikachu's Vivid Voltage pack. Nice. Here we go. Vivid Voltage coming up. Careful, Dale. Be careful. Be careful, young master. Black border, which is what I like to see. I don't like white border packs, but they happen. So, starting off with another steel. Wow. And then here we go. Memory capsule, maybe? Yep, memory capsule. Go-Goat. Ferrothorn, maybe? Yep, Ferrothorn. Nerdy Dell needs to get his eyes checked very badly. He can't see. Even with his glasses, he can't see. Pick-a-Peck. Choodle, I think? Yep. I can't tell. Riolu? Yep. Can't tell. Chimecho. And it's a crocheted Chimecho. That's pretty cool. Ninkata. Let's see. Ooh. Sir Chester Bath Reverse Hollow, which I already have a Reverse Hollow of. But it's okay. What's the last one? I cannot see. It is too far away. Oh. It's definitely a V. Looks like full art. And it's another Orbeetle V. It's just a different version. Womp womp. That one's a promo though. So I shall, in fact, sleeve encase the promo. I typically always do that with promos because I just do it. I just, that's my thing. I don't want to damage promos. I want to keep them as protected as possible, even the common ones, simply because you never know what something is going to be worth to someone in the future. And promos are usually good to keep safe. Usually. Yeah. So that's a promo Orbeetle V with the standard Orbeetle V. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Last but not last, again, I'm stumbling over my words because I'm starting to get sleepy, y'all. Tell me when to stop, and the pack on front is going to be picked. Here we go. Stop. Okay. What is it? Fusion Strike. Okay. This is the toss-in pack. Fusion Strike. Here we go. Oh, heck no. It looks like it's been opened. What? The place I got this better not have resealed it. I'll be very unhappy if this is a resealed pack. Here we go. Fire energy, nice. I also like fire type Pokemon too, so that's dope. Let's get it started. Hold it still so you can hopefully see it better than I can. Swadloon. I think that's my first one of those as well. Nice. I'm getting a lot of new cards for the Pokedex with these pulls. Cramomatic. You can use this card only if you discard another item card from your hand. Flip a coin if head, search your deck for a card and put it into your hand and shuffle your deck. Okay, I guess. And this one, another trainer. Skater's Park! I know someone that may like this card. Whenever either player's active Pokemon retreats, put any basic energy that would be discarded into their hand instead of the discard pile. Okay. And then, Drillbur. Can't see. Oh, Shinx. Can't see this one either. Nerdy Dell really needs to get his eyes checked. Baniri. That's sad. That's no bueno. Oops. Wrong one. Basculin. Robin. Okay. Turtonator Reverse Hollow. Heck yeah. Oh heck yeah, I like Turtonator. So this is cool. This is going to go into my Pokedex. This Turtonator right here. Turtonator, reverse hollow. See the shine? It's shiny like a reverse hollow. Yay! Last but not least, Grimmsnarl. Okay. A holographic Grimmsnarl. Nice. 170 HP, single strike Pokemon. Dang, rear attack 100 plus damage. If you have 2 or fewer benched Pokemon, this attack does 104. Dang. That is a beast. He does heavy damage. Heavy damage. Nice. I shall maybe use him. And last but not least, this time is true. Vivid Voltage, the Celebi pack. I don't like my hair hanging down like that. It makes me look like a freaking werewolf or vampire or something. From the olden days. They don't really look like that anymore. But back in the day when I was little, that's how some vampires often looked. In TV and stuff. They had that little widow's peak hanging down like that. Nah, I don't like that. It just looks weird to me. On me, at least. So, last pack. We'll see. It's possible I'll throw in the last 2. We'll just see how this one plays out. Or maybe at least 1 from the last 2. I don't know. We'll see. But wait. Pack trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Dark Energy. Nice. I like Dark Energy as well. Mighty Hina. Whoops. Whoopsie. Pincurchin. Loudred. Rockruff. Looks like Swallow? Swallow maybe? Is it? Tailo. My bad. And I just threw Tailo right on top of Rockruff. Whoops. Yanma? Yes. And it's almost a game for me at this point to guess which the card is. It's kind of fun. I don't know. I can't tell from this far away. Oh, Wooper. Wow. I should have guessed that. But I didn't. Is it Psyduck? I can't see. Is it Psyduck? Nope, it's the Dene. That was way off too. Delmise? Maybe? Delmise? Yep, Reverse Hollow, Delmise! Cool! This is an interesting Pokemon to me. I've always kind of liked this one. Delmise is always kind of drawn to me. But yeah, it's my Reverse Hollow Delmise. Very cool. And what's the last card, y'all? Is it worth it? Is it good? Is it a banger? Tell me. Oh shoot! Aegislash-V. Nice. I am happy to pull this. Nice. I think I have an Aegislash, so what I'm going to do with this card is sleeve it and case it. Grandpa Dell is busy today. Why not, y'all? I'm feeling in the mood. I'm feeling like I want to open the rest of the packs. There's no point in saving just 2. Something's telling me not to though. Tell you what, let's play a game. Do you want to play a game? Just kidding. Yeah, disregard that. I'm just joking. I'm not into that stuff. I don't torture people. So here's the deal. Here's what I'm gonna do. I have a Fusion Striker Genesect pack, and I have a Unified Mind Sun and Moon Giratina pack. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to find a coin in here somewhere. I think I do have one in here. Maybe not. Bummer. Uno momento. Del shall be right back. Wait. Maybe this. Sorry for the technical difficulties, y'all. I'm just trying to find a coin to do a game. It's gonna. Never mind, there will be no game. I can't find the coin to flip. And since my phone is right there, recording this, I can't use it. So, what's another game that I can do to make it fair? Because I kind of want to open them, but I kind of don't. Something's telling me to wait, but something's telling me to open them. I don't know. I can't decide. Forget it. I'm not going to open them. I'm going to save them for another day. I don't know. It's just like, it's too strong of a no. So I'm sorry if I got your guys' hopes up for a pack bust of Unified Minds and another Fusion Strike, but that's going to be for another day. Yeah, I just want to end it on a high note. Aegislash was really cool. I liked it a lot. I'm just going to have that be the last pack. At least look at it this way. You're going to have to be it's going to be a cliffhanger to see what's in those other two packs. They're going to have to wait for another time. Yeah, because I'm falling asleep. I'm tired. I've been through a lot today. And yeah, that has been today's nerdy adventure. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment, as long as it's positive and not drama. You can post comments in the comment section. Just kidding. Okay, with all that said, with all the goofiness out of the way, I am Nerdy Del. Thank you for stopping by and watching the video. Take care. Peace out.